Aloha o Moenau te ie, e aha to ue huru, me te oe te imhana, yorana. Hello, I'm Moenau from Poly-lingual Reo Tahiti. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Today, you will learn how to count in Tahitian. Do you know? Before we dive into our lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a new video each week. Do you want to count in Tahitian with me? Atei oan. Let's do this. Aure, 0. Ho'e, 1. Piti, 2. Toru, 3. Maha, 4. Pa, 5. Ono, 6. Hitu, 7. Vau, 8. Iva, 9. Ahuru, 10. Very good. Maiteirua. Now let's try to count by the tens. In Tahitian, the way we count, we only need to add the corresponding number in front of the word ahuru. Let's look at some examples. 10. Ho'e ahuru. 20. Piti ahuru. 30. Toru ahuru. 40. Maha ahuru. 50. Pa ahuru. 60. Ono ahuru. 70. Hitu ahuru. 80. Vau ahuru. 90. Iva ahuru. 100. Ho'e hanere. A quick note here, the word hanere is an English borrowed word from the word 100. Do you guys hear the similarity? It's pretty cool, huh? Let's move up and discover other numbers. Ho'e hanere, piti hanere. Ho'e tauatini, piti tauatini. Ho'e ahuru tauatini, piti ahuru tauatini. Ho'e hanere tauatini, piti hanere tauatini. Ho'e mirioni, piti mirioni. Maiteirua, now it's your turn. Share with me in the section below your favorite Tahitian number. Time to practice. Ta'oe teine. That's it for today. Very good job, everyone. If you want to learn more about the Reo Tahiti, check out our website, polylingual.com, where you can learn all about the Reo Tahiti at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. I'll see you guys next week. Tira yahua hirima Māuruuru met e te wharaur ame, ya met e o toi te imhana. Parhei, yorana, nana.